Hey everyone, my name is Fikri. I'm a software developer at Instant Technologies, and today I'm going to show you the agent dashboard of Chime v5. The primary goal of this agent dashboard is to show you active chats that are coming in, and then to make sure that in real time you can accept chats from users in your organization or in your tenant. So today I'm going to show you and demonstrate that. We can also see a list of agents in our tenant and see their status. So for example, this is me, and right now I'm available. If I want to change my status, I can switch to offline here, and it will be updated in real time. But I will put myself back to available so that I can accept chats. We can also see standard replies. These are predefined messages, usually created by your manager, and you can use these predefined messages in a conversation with your end users. And on the left side here, we have settings where we can update our profile image, we can update our first name, last name, we can have tags on ourselves. We use this tag so in our routing settings. So in your tenant, you can set up so that incoming chats are routed to agents with specific tags. And then for this concurrent chat limit, it controls how many chats you can take at the same time. And then we have other settings here for ringtone when there is a new chat coming in, and then for enabling automatically closing chat if you close your agent web client. I will show you the agent web client later. And then in here we have a test chat button. So if you click this, it will launch a web client. This is where you can quickly simulate a chat from the end user. So in here we have a pipeline welcome message that will try to show us different options that you have. So in here you can select welcome and then route to agent and then get a feedback card. You can try this simple pipeline and then welcome card and then keyword and then APAC advanced pipelines. These are some workflow or pipelines that we have for testing. I will show this too. But I will just end it right here because I want to test from Microsoft Teams. All right, so let's go back to the agent dashboard. As we can see right now, we don't have any chats coming in, and I want to create or simulate a chat coming into this tenant, and then I will try to pretend to be an agent and accept that chat. So to start a chat, you can use this test chat button to launch the web client, or Chime allows you to start a chat from Microsoft Teams, and that's what I'm going to try to do. So we have it here so that this tenant is accessible from this Microsoft Teams. So as an end user, I'll probably write something like, hey, I need help with password reset. And I will send that. And then as an agent watching this, I'll be able to see that there is an incoming chat from my account, and this is my question. And I'll be able to see the state of this current chat session. Right now it is in pre-chat, meaning that there might be some kind of form that the end user need to fill out. So if I come here, so the end user needs to go through this selection. I'll try to test the welcome card and then route to agent and then get feedback card. So I'll try this. And here I will click continue to complete the pre-chat state. Once the pre-chat is completed, we will move to the waiting state. the waiting state is where me as an agent can accept this chat that coming in. And we can also see that right now it is prompting or notifying the admin and me. So I will try to accept this. And when I click the accept chat as an agent, I will launch this, what we call web client. This is the UI that you use to communicate to the end user. So in here, I can say, hey, how are you? And then, how can I help you today? And as you can see, the state is switched to or moved to connected after I pick this chat. Then if we look at our Teams client, we see that messages I sent from here are directed to the end user. I'm just trying to show communication between end user and the agent here. And then I'll probably say, sure, I can help you with that. And then maybe we can check out some of these standard replies. So maybe I'll try to use this because it sounds like it is useful when you try to get more data from your end user. So as you can see, when I click send, I don't have to type anything, and this predefined message will be sent to this end user. Maybe I will reply with, okay, my email is and then as an agent, you have all of these features in your agent web client. So the first one here, you can see the basic details of the guest or the end user. So I can see the name and when it was started. I can also see the whole transcript of our conversation. We can see the metadata, all the additional details about this session. You can attach files if you want to. And we can see the routing history of this chat session. So for example, it started prompting admin and me, and then I joined this conversation. We can also see the flow of this conversation through the pipeline and have standard replies. So once I'm finished with my conversation, I can click this leave chat. And I want to show you that if you click leave chat, the state here will change to post chat, and this happens in real time. And post chat state is before the end chat state. So this is the state where the guest or the end user might need to fill out a form to submit a review or something like that. So I'll probably try to provide a feedback or review. It was excellent. Thank you. And then once that's submitted, your chat session state will move to ended, and that is the end of the chat session lifecycle. So the agent dashboard is very useful when you're an agent and when you try to watch incoming chats, accept those chats, and then help the end users. Looks like someone started a load testing. So this is actually very interesting, where we can see multiple chats at the same time. This load testing is ran on the backend to simulate multiple chats coming in into this tenant. And yeah, in the backend, we just automatically accept chats and simulate conversations and end them automatically. So these are all actually automated. All right, thank you.